Hey guys, it's your girl Simply China. Today I am back with another great video. You're gonna see how I got this big luscious hair. This is Crochet hair. I basically did a collab with Dansama hair. If I'm chopping their name, I extremely apologize, but I just must say that this hair is bomb.com. This is synthetic hair, but this is for passion twist and for crocheting, so it's blended. And I have here the package. Sorry I didn't get to really show you guys the initial pack, but in the video you're gonna see everything when I jump right in. But this is the breakdown of everything. The color that I'm using is TBUG. The lengths are 18, just strictly 18. The quantity of packs that I had is 7, and I used about 5.5 for my hair, and this is like amazing for 5.5. Like you can see, it stretches, and I doubled on the hair as well, which you guys will see in the video. And the initial price for this would be roughly around $60 for the whole 7-pack. Now if you want, now they're doing this special where if you get the 7 packs, it's $34. Yeah, $34. I'm gonna put the link in for you guys so you guys can get this deal, and you're going to be able to get the 7 pieces, and with that, those 7 pieces is like how you guys see. Okay, hey you guys, sorry about that, my clip kind of ended, but basically I'm just gonna jump right into the video. And as you can see, this is the official pack. Like I mentioned in the beginning, I showed you I was gonna show you the original pack. That's everything that came in. I'm just slicking back my baby hairs and just making sure that they're out of my way, and I'm grabbing the hair out of the pack and pulling them apart. You kind of want to frizz them up a little bit so that it's not just stuck together, but you don't want to play with it too much. You can see I'm pulling it through, and then I'm just going to use the crochet clip that I have here and just attach it and pull the hair through. I'm going to keep doing that method, as you guys can see, and then I'm going to make like a knot and then push the hair through the knot and pull it. I did it very light, as you guys can see here. I did it very light because I didn't really want it tight. I wanted it very loose fitting, and that's kind of like how you do it. I'm going to keep doing the same exact concept across my whole entire head. I'm just going to take that same tool, put it through the braid, attach the hair to the clip, close the clip, pull it through, and then make a knot. Obviously it's just easier to look at than explaining, but you guys can get the gist of it. And you're just going to keep doing the same method. If I wanted the hair to last a little bit longer, or I wanted it to be tighter, I would, instead of making it 1 knot, I would actually do 2. But it just depends on how you guys want to rock the hair and how long you want it to stay in. So this is how I do it. Just watch and I'll be back to explain more. Alrighty guys, this is the ending of the video. As you can see, I just put some mousse in. I had to show you guys this bomb color. Look at that color, guys. Like, come on. So I just wanted to give you guys a close-up of the coloring and just showing you guys how lovely this hair came out on me. And I'm putting a few products in, and that is that. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. This is like the ending clip, and I hope you liked what you've seen from the beginning. Like I said before, if you guys have any questions or anything like that and you want to know certain techniques, just let me know. If you want to also hear my feedback on the longevity of this hairstyle, just comment down below and I'll communicate with you guys whatever it is that you want. So don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share. Thank you again, and CC out. Bye.